Are you tired of drinking tap water that tastes bad? Meet the Brita Metro water filter pitcher. This compact pitcher provides cleaner, healthier drinking water at home. Enjoy the benefits. It cuts down the taste and odor of chlorine, reduces harmful metals, and is eco-friendly. With one pitcher, you can replace up to 1,800 single-use plastic bottles a year. Using it is simple. Just fill the pitcher, and the electronic SmartLight indicator will tell you when to change the filter. With an easy fill locking lid, you won't spill a drop. The pitcher. Keep. Over 30,000 customers bought this pitcher last month and rated it 25,480 times globally. Many are thrilled with the savings and improved taste. In summary, the Brita Metro water filter pitcher offers a reliable solution for clean drinking water while helping the environment. Ready to enjoy tastier water? Purchase your Brita Metro water filter pitcher today for only $22.99, down from the original price of $25.79. Check the product link in the description below. If you buy through our links, you'll support our channel at no extra cost to you. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more great deals and reviews. Thank you for your support.